And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the DL tag. It's used for a description list, and it's basically the same as you would use a UL tag for an ordered list or an OL tag for ordered lists. So it's a container for a list. If you just write it like this, nothing's going to happen. You have to have elements in it, but you don't use LE, so list items. Instead you use DT and DD tags. I'm going to cover these in the next tutorials, but in principle DT is just for the term in your description list. So let me just add 3 social media platforms in my DL. They're all nested inside of an individual DT tag. And now we have these 3 words as a list. And afterwards you add the DD tag for the description of the term. In the case of YouTube, just let me write social media platform for video content. So this DD tag, it defines or describes the term above it. And by default it gets indented like this. So if I add something similar to Twitter, it's going to look like this. There are no specific attributes for the DT tag, so this is basically all there is to know about it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.